Imagine waking up to find a damaging complaint about your business on the BBB website. What would you do next? The Better Business Bureau, BBB, is crucial in shaping your business's online reputation. Founded to promote honest and transparent business practices, the BBB offers a platform for consumers to lodge complaints. If you're a business owner who has received a complaint, acting swiftly and responsibly is essential. Handling BBB complaints effectively can safeguard your reputation and prevent long-term damage. Once a complaint is filed, removing it isn't as simple as deleting a bad review. Responding promptly and professionally to a complaint is crucial to resolving it. Address the customer's concerns in a courteous manner to potentially mark the complaint as resolved. Reaching out to the complainant directly can lead to the complaint being retracted or updated. If you believe a complaint is false, you can dispute it with the BBB by providing clear evidence. In some cases, seeking legal assistance may be necessary to address false complaints. Businesses cannot completely remove their profiles from the BBB database. Maintaining a positive reputation involves proactive complaint management and resolving issues quickly. The BBB cannot shut down a business, but a bad rating can affect consumer perception. Understanding the BBB complaint process is essential for navigating any issues your business might face. Responding to a BBB complaint effectively can make the difference between resolving the issue and harming your reputation. Ignoring a BBB complaint can lead to a lower BBB rating and a public record of the unresolved complaint. For BBB-accredited businesses, failing to address complaints can lead to the loss of accreditation. Responding quickly and professionally to complaints can minimize their impact on your business. By addressing BBB complaints promptly, you can maintain your business's reputation and consumer trust. Remember, our specialists can help you manage and remove complaints to keep your business thriving. Call us now for a free consultation.